Hi, the next we will learn is how to determine the number of elements of a set with the symbol represented by this one. After that, what is the equality of a set? The set alphabet in a word are arranged by three students, A, B, and C. Every element in set A and B are the same. H, A, R, U, M. So, thus A equal to B, A equal to C, or B equal to C. If every element in the two or more sets are same, all the sets are equal. Let's go to example number 4. Explain whether each of the following pairs of sets are equal sets. P. Vowels in the word sekolah and Q. Vowels in the word kejohanan. So we go to the solutions. What is the vowel? E, O, A. For Q, also E, O, A. Elements A prime need not be repeated. Each element is equal, so P equal to Q. That is the meaning of equality of sets.